Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to select the Navtex stations and set up that into Pruno Navtex prior to vessel departure. Well, as you know that Navtex is one of the important GMDSS equipment on board. It provides the navigational warnings and some other important messages to the vessel. So in case if you don't know how to set up that properly, you will unable to receive the important messages and you will probably get a big trouble during PSC inspection. That's why in this video now, I will show you step by step so that you know how to do that properly. Okay? So firstly, I will show you how to select the Navtex stations on the publication, and then I will show you how to set up that into this device. Okay? So let's check it out. So to select the Navtex stations for the voyage, you need to open the Admiralty digital radio signals 1345. So when this screen appears, you click on the Navtex stations icon right there. You can see that, right? So after you clicking on that, all the Navtex stations will appear on the map. So now I will try to select the random Navtex stations in our nav area, and then I will select all the international Navtex stations which related to our whole voyage. So for example, we are still in Cape Town and heading to the India. So that's why I would try to select this one, the random one. Well, as you can see that these are all the Navtex stations for the nav area 7 South Africa, and these are all Navtex stations for the nav area 8 India. And we are still in the Cape Town and heading to the India, and our route will go like this. So you can see the cursor. I will move the cursor. Our route will go like this, straight to India right here. That's why now I will try to select all international Navtex stations which related to our whole voyage. And you can see right here, the key, the red station is for international Navtex 518 kHz, and the blue one for national Navtex 490 kHz or 4209.5 kHz. And you don't have to care about the national Navtex because this one for national language. So you just care about the international Navtex stations, and you have to select all the stations which related to the whole voyage. Okay, so now I will show you how to select this station. You can see right here the red station from Cape Town to India. I will select one by one. I will try to write down to the scarf paper. You can see right here. So the station Cape Town, C, U, I, O, T, H, and the last one is P. You can see this is all the international Navtex stations which related to a whole voyage. That's why now we try to input all of these stations into the Navtex device. Okay, so now we'll go back to the Navtex equipment, and I will show you how to input and set up for the Navtex device. Okay, well, as you can see that this is the Pruno Navtex NX700. So to set up that, you press on the menu, then you select the Navtex, and you press on the enter. So when this screen appears, you have to check and set up for all of this one. Okay, so the first one, the mask mode. So for the mask mode, you should change that to manual, like that. And the next one, auto receive mask, you will put that to the off position. And the next one, the local channel, so you can leave 490 kilohertz, like that. And the next one, receive mask and output mask. So two of this one very important. It will decide which message and which station you will receive the message on the Navtex and on the ignits. Okay, so now we go to the receive mask. You press enter, and you can see this one. This is the Navtex stations. So now you have to input all the stations which you selected before. Okay, so you can see that these are all stations which I selected before. So now we input all of these stations into the Navtex. So to select and unselect station, you press on enter, then you move the arrow to get a station. So to select and unselect station, you just move the arrow up and down to select and unselect that. Okay, so you can see right here the C, P, C, U, I, O, T, H, and P. You can see that. I have already set up for, the international Navtex stations. To confirm that, you press on enter. So the next one is the message. This is the type of the message from A to Z. So for A, B, D, L is for like a mandatory message. This is a message you cannot be, rejected. Okay. So in case you want to select more type of the message, you can press on enter. So for example, I will try to select the message type C, eyes reports. So you can move the arrow up and down to select that. You can see that. And then you just press enter. So the next one for national Navtex stations, so you don't have to care about that. Okay, so you just leave like that. So then you press on menu again, and you move to output mask. In the output mask, you just input all the stations, same with the receive mask. So this is for like output mask for like for in the ignits. It will appear the message in the ignits. So you have to put all the stations the same with the receive mask, CUIOTHP. You see that I changed already. So to select and unselect, you just do the same. Press enter, move arrow up and down to select and change, and press enter to confirm. The next one, the message type. Also A, B, D, L. I selected the mandatory message type. Okay. So the national Navtex station, so you don't have to care about that. After that, you press on menu, then you move to display, and you press on enter, and you select the user select station, then you press on enter, and this is international Navtex stations. You have to input the same with the previous one. You see, CHIOPTU. I set up that already. And this one, the message type, is the same with the other setup before. And the national Navtex stations, so we don't have to care about that. So just like that. Okay, everyone, that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. So I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you want to see more video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.